Are you getting the 9011 error when firing up Genshin Impact on your PC? Well, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the error code 9011 in Genshin Impact on your computer. So let's not waste any time and jump straight into the solutions. Solution 1. First, allow Genshin Impact to access the internet through the Windows Firewall. To do this, first right-click on Genshin Impact from your desktop. Then click on Open File Location. Now click on this bar and copy this file path. Now search for Firewall and click on Firewall and Network Protection. Now click on Allow an app through Firewall and then on Change Settings. Then click on Allow another app, then on Browse. Now click this bar here, paste the path we copied earlier and press Enter. From here, double-click on Launcher. Then click on Add. After that, check these boxes. Now just repeat the same step for Genshin Impact inside the Genshin Impact game folder. Make sure to do the same for the ZF Game Browser program. You can find it in the Plugins folder inside the Genshin Impact _data folder within your Genshin Impact game folder. Now just click on OK and reboot your computer. After your computer turns on, see if the error is gone. Solution 2. If you're still getting the error, delete your temporary files. To do this, click on the search icon here and type in Run. Then click on it. Now type %temp% in this box and hit Enter. After that, File Explorer should open up. From here, delete everything. Now close this window, open Genshin Impact and see if the error is gone. Solution 3. If nothing helped, try resetting your network settings. To do this, open up Settings. Then click on Network and Internet. Next, click on Advanced Network Settings and then on Network Reset. Now click on the Reset Now button and click on the Yes button. After that, reboot your computer and launch Genshin Impact. Now you should be able to play the game without getting this error. So that's how you fix the 9011 error in Genshin Impact on your computer. If the video did the trick for you, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks a lot for watching.